Hi. Hi. So we're gonna try the brownies that I made the last time. So if you remember, I made brookies. So it's a cookie brownie. I made it moist inside. See that? For some, they think that it's too sweet, probably because of the cookie itself, the cookie dough. Then I didn't change the ingredients, even the measurements of the sugar and the other dried ingredients that I use in this. So most likely the others, they prefer the first one that I made, which is the brownie espresso. Okay, so it's yummy. Okay. Next one that we're gonna try is the red velvet brownie. Okay, so it looks like this. I made it bite sizes. Yeah. For this one naman, what makes it different is the taste of the cream cheese. Actually, it's a red velvet cream cheese brownie. Wala. Okay. So far, both taste a little bit sweet, but then not too sweet naman. So it's perfect for black coffee, or probably if you would like to drink some cafe latte or whatever it is, it's good. Okay. So that's it. Thank you for watching.